In this video, I'll show you how to use AI in Google Docs. If you want to use AI inside Google Docs, the main feature you need to know about is Gemini in Docs. Google's official help says Gemini can help you write new content, rewrite text, summarize documents, refine tone, and even create documents from a prompt. These features are available on computer and require an eligible Google Workspace or Google AI plan, so if you do not see them, access may depend on your account and subscription. To get started, open a document in Google Docs on your computer and look for the Gemini tools. Depending on your version, you may see an Ask Gemini button at the top right, a prompt bar near the bottom, or a Help Me Write option in the document. Google says you can click Ask Gemini to open the side panel or use the writing tools to create and refine text directly in the doc. If you want AI to write something for you, click where you want the text to appear and enter a prompt. For example, you can ask Gemini to write an email, create a summary, draft a proposal, or turn rough notes into a polished paragraph. Google's help says you can describe the document or text you want, submit the prompt, and then insert the result into the document once you like it. If you already have text in the document, AI can help improve it. Google says you can select text and use Gemini to rephrase it, shorten it, elaborate on it, make it more formal, make it more casual, or turn it into bullet points. In some versions, you can also edit without selecting text first, because Gemini can understand the document context and make broader updates based on your instructions. Another very useful feature is summarizing. Google says Gemini in Docs can summarize the whole document or just a section you highlight. This is helpful when you are reviewing meeting notes, long reports, drafts, or school material and want the key points quickly before you keep working. You can also give Gemini more context, so the results are better. Google's help says you can reference other files from Drive, and in some cases Docs can use related content from Drive, Chat, Gmail, and the web to help create more personalized drafts. That means the AI is not limited to only the text already on the page, which can save a lot of time when you are building proposals, project plans, or business documents. If you want better results, Google recommends writing prompts clearly. A good prompt usually includes the role, the task, the context, and the format you want. So instead of typing something vague like write this better, a better prompt would be something like rewrite this paragraph in a professional tone and make it shorter, or summarize this document in 5 bullet points for a manager. One thing to remember is that you may not see the exact same buttons as someone else. Google's help pages show features like Ask Gemini, Help Me Write, Help Me Create, and prompt bars, and availability can vary by plan, language, and account type. So if AI is missing in your Google Docs, the issue is usually access, rollout, or plan eligibility rather than a problem with the document itself. So that's how to use AI in Google Docs. Open your document, look for Gemini, or Help Me Write, enter a prompt to create or improve text, and then review the result before inserting it into your document. It's a simple way to write faster, clean up drafts, and get ideas without leaving Google Docs. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.